Dear students, now we are reaching in 14.6 from the chapter Practical Geometry. In previous exercise 14.5, if you must be remembering, we have drawn line of symmetry for the lines only. Okay? In this exercise, which we are going to do right now, in this, you will be doing the line of symmetry for angles. Okay? And also, you will be drawing the angle bisector. So, इस chapter में जो आप करने वाले हैं, you will be basically pointing out two things: angle bisector, and the second thing you will be drawing the line of symmetry for angle. Line of symmetry for angles. Now, what is angle bisector, beta? Angle bisector means the line which divides an angle into two equal parts will be known as angle bisector. It means if any angle is of 60 degree, we will divide it in 30-30. If it is of 90 degree, we will divide it in 45-45. If it will be of 70 degree, we will be dividing in 30 and 35 and 35. Okay. So let's draw how to draw angle bisector or line of symmetry for an angle. So सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? We will be drawing an angle. I am drawing with 60 degree. अब आपको चूज कर लीजिए कि आपको कौन सा एंगल ड्रॉ करना है. आई एम ड्रॉइंग 60 डिग्री. 60 डिग्री एंगल कैसे बनाते हैं? सबसे पहले टेक अ लाइन और अ रे. आफ्टर दैट ड्रॉ अ वर्टेक्स. एक वर्टेक्स जिसमें आपको एंगल बनाना है. Put your protector on the vertex only and choose a line, choose a point where you have 60 degree from here. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So here this is the line of 60. So I have got, this is my 60 degree angle. Okay, so I have drawn the angle of 60 degree. Now let us understand how to draw the angle bisector of any angle. I want you all, there is no use of scale now. Take your compass. Take your compass now. Open it how much you want. ठीक है, open it how much you want. There is no measurement, but थोड़ा सा ज्यादा ही open कीजिएगा. ठीक है, बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा नहीं open करते हैं, थोड़ा सा ज्यादा होना चाहिए. So open your compass. Now students first understand. एक बार आप समझ लीजिए, उसके बाद करिएगा. All the students please focus on the board right now and then you draw it. I'll give you the time for drawing. So the first thing what we will be doing, I will putting this pointer, the needle of my compass on my vertex. ठीक है, पहले मैं vertex पे रखूंगी. Vertex पे रखने के बाद I will be taking my compass and I will be just drawing an arc like this, cutting both the arms of my angle. Vertex पे रख के I will cut an arc in such a way that it should cut both the arms of my angle, and I will give the name. This is one point and this is second point. Okay, this is one point and second point. After drawing this, basically आपको क्या करना है? इस एंगल का बाइसेक्शन करना है. बाइसेक्शन का मतलब होता है टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. तो आप क्या करेंगे? पहले आप 2 पे रखेंगे, यहां पे कट करेंगे. ठीक है, फिर 1 पे रखेंगे और फिर से इसी को कट कर देंगे. कभी भी बाइसेक्ट करने का यही तरीका होता है बेटा. जिस चीज को आपको बाइसेक्ट करना है उसके दोनों एंड पॉइंट पे रखो और उसको दोनों तरफ से कट कर दो. सो दिस इज द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ my angle 60 degree. Now you also check it. Now let me see whether I am getting 30-30 or not. आप भी check करिए अपना. पहले draw करिए and check करिए that are you getting 30 degree or not. This is 30 degree and this is 30 degree because I have drawn completely 60 degree. Now I have drawn the angle bisector. So let us try the same thing once again with the help of any other angle. So this time again किसी भी एंगल को बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले चाहिए होता है बेटा बेस लाइन, ठीक है? So सबसे पहले मैंने बनाया बेस लाइन. After base line, I will draw a vertex because angle will be drawn on the vertex only. Now I will take my compass. I will put my compass here and I will see that which angle I have to make. So I think I should make this time 90 degree. Those who have already tried 90 degree can draw any other angle beta. हाँ? इस बार आप other angle लीजिएगा. So this is now 90 degree angle this time. Now I have to make bisector of 90 degree this time. The process will remain same. I will be taking my compass. I will be taking my compass and opening it more, putting on the vertex, and I will draw an arc in such a way that it will cut both the arms of my angle. ठीक है, इस तरीके से कट करेंगे कि दोनों तरफ कट होना चाहिए. Now I will give a name. This is 1 and this is 2. After putting my needle of compass 1 by 1 on 1 and 1 by 1 on 2, I will be making the bisector of my angle. So this is 1 using 2. This is using 1. I will be making an arc once again. Completed. I have got this type of X over here, intersection of both the arcs. And now this middle line, if you will be joining with this, it will give you exact 45 degree angle. This line will be of 45 and this line was of 90. If you want, you can cross check with the help of compass also, protector also, that you will be getting the exact measurement of 45. That's all from my side. We have done today angle bisector. In our next class, we will be studying 14.6 only.